Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Wegmans app is and how it's positioned. Based on official App Store descriptions, the Wegmans app is a grocery shopping platform designed to help customers plan and manage their grocery shopping. The app allows users to order groceries for curbside pickup or home delivery, depending on location and available fulfillment partners. Official listings show the app provides access to digital coupons and savings offers that can be applied during checkout. Descriptions indicate users can browse recipes, save them, and turn selected recipes into organized grocery lists. The app also helps organize shopping lists by aisle layout, which may make in-store shopping faster and more efficient. Verified information indicates the app can reference past purchases to help users quickly find frequently bought items. According to official details, digital coupons can be clipped in the app and redeemed either in-store or on eligible online orders. The app supports curbside pickup at participating Wegmans locations, where employees bring orders directly to your vehicle. Delivery options may be available through third-party services, depending on region and current availability. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. This app may be useful for users who want to manage grocery shopping, recipes, lists, and savings in one place. For users interested in pickup or delivery options combined with digital coupons and planning tools, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.